The Santa Rosa segment of the Byways Tour is especially geared to you nature lovers. To access it, take Mississippi Exit 13 off Interstate 10. Head north to Texas Flat Road where you'll take a left. In about 1 mile, you'll see the entrance to McCloud Water Park. For you campers, boaters, fishermen, and birders, this is the place to be. With 84 shaded RV spots, campers will find pavilions, a playground, and full campsite amenities. There's even a store and a place to do laundry. Boaters will enjoy 2 boat launches and the entrance to the unique Jordan River Blueway. It's a 9-mile marked water trail that's a dream for kayakers and canoers. The Blueway leads to Oxbow Lakes, Artesian Springs, Sandbar Beaches, and hidden bayous. Since the Jordan River is a tidally influenced river that's freshwater, year-round fishermen will find largemouth bass, catfish, and striped bass, and alligator gar the size of your kayak. McCloud is a paradise for birders too, known for hosting a dozen of the most sought-after species on the Mississippi Gulf Coast Birding Trail. Look for birds like painted buntings, Acadian flycatchers, and the graceful Mississippi kites. The Blueway makes a great viewing area, as does the 2.5-mile nature trail inside the park. Back on the Byway Road, you'll head out through vast pine plantations to Santa Rosa. Little is known about this now extinct town, although it included homes, churches, and a 1-room schoolhouse. One of the last remnants of Santa Rosa is the oddly named Turtle Skin Cemetery, with gravestones dating back to the 1860s. If you haven't yet taken the Beach Boulevard Scenic Byways Tour, access it from the menu. Thanks again for joining us to explore the Hancock County Scenic Byways. You can find us anytime at www.gulfcoastscenicbyways.com.